Hello world, welcome back. So this is the part 2 of important string methods, and I'm going to discuss on swap case, upper, lower, capitalized, title and center methods. So let's get started with the first method, that is swap case. So let's say I have defined a string. This is Python programming and I want to use swap case here. So when I'll do the swap casing, what it will do is that it will convert the uppercase characters into lowercase characters and lowercase characters into uppercase characters. So this T, which is uppercase, will be converted into lowercase, and rest other characters are lowercase characters, so these will be converted into uppercase. So when I'll run the program, so the output will be swapped cases. Next method is upper method. So upper method, as you can easily guess, it will convert all the characters into uppercase. So when I'll run the program, it will print all the characters into the uppercases. Similarly, lower method, when I'll use, it will basically convert all the characters of this string into lowercase. So when I run this program, the output will be the string with all the characters into the lowercase. Next one is capitalize method. So what does capitalize method do? So it basically capitalizes only the first character. So here the first character is already in uppercase. Let me change it to lowercase. So when I change it to lowercase, what capitalize method will do in this string, it will capitalize the first character into uppercase. So the output will contain the string with the first character into uppercase. Okay, what happens if the first character is space? So when I'll run this program, it will not capitalize T because it capitalizes first characters. First character is space, so the output will still be same. Next method is title method. So title method, what it do is it will basically capitalize the first character of each word. So it will capitalize this T, this I, this P, and again this P. So when I run the program, so the output will contain the first character of each word into uppercase. Next method is center method, which is a little bit complex and I want to cover this in a little bit more detail. So basically center method returns a new string padded with the provided character. Let me take a equal to hello, and when I do a dot center 9 and I want to pad asterisk. So the first argument of center method is basically total length of current string plus total characters that are padded. So basically this will be the final length of the string that will come in the output. So right now the string length is 5, it contains 5 characters. Final output that will come will have 9 character, or the length of that particular string will be 9. So from reaching the length of 5 to 9, it has to pad some characters towards left hand side and right hand side, and that particular character will be asterisk. So when I run the program, see it padded 2 asterisk towards left hand side. So this is called as leading character, and 2 characters at the end of the string, which is called as trailing characters. And the total length becomes 9 character, which is basically represented by this particular. So currently the asterisk that got padded are even. So 2 asterisk got padded left hand side and right hand side of the string. What happens if I have given 10 here? So in order to reach the length of 10 from 5, it will basically pad 5 asterisks. So will it pad 2 asterisk at the starting or 3 asterisk at the starting? So it remains a mystery. So there is a logic to decode this particular complexity. So what's that logic? Let me show you. So when the string length is odd and the first argument of the center function is even, then the leading character that are padded, I mean the character towards left hand side, will be less. When the string length is even and first argument of center function is odd, then the leading character padded will be more. I'll go through this table at the end, whatever I'm showing you. Let's take the example one by one. So let's take the string length as odd. So right now 1 2 3 4 5, this is odd, correct? And first argument of center function is even. So this is the first argument, which is even. So what does it say? It says that leading character padded will be less. So leading character are the character that are padded towards left hand side. It will be less. So you can see here these are less, these are 2, and trailing characters are 3, correct? So this satisfies the first case. Second case says that if string length is even and first argument is odd, then leading character padded will be more. Let's take this example now. So let's take the string length as even. Now the string length becomes even and first argument of center function is odd. Let's take 9 here. So in this case it is telling that the leading character here, whatever will be there, it will be more, and towards right hand side it will be less. Let me run this program. You see here the leading character are basically more in number compared to the trailing character. So second case is also satisfied. Now string length and first argument, if both are odd or if both are even, then in that case leading trailing character will be equal. Let's take the example. Let's take this odd and this is already odd. So in that case leading character and trailing character both will be same, 2 and 2. If this is even, and again let's say if this is also even, in this case also you can see leading character 3 and trailing character is also 3. So both are equal. So fourth and fifth is also satisfied. Now last case where let's say the first argument is less than or equal to string length. In that case there will not be any change in the string. Let's see that. So first argument is less than or equal to the length of the string. So length of the string is 4. Let me take equal to length of the string first. So this is equal. When I'll run the program, there is no change in this string. And if it is less than the length of this string, again the output will be same. Now in order to understand the center method, you remember this table, take the screenshot of this table, and whenever you are practicing the center method, you just refer to this table. Okay, so this is not center function, this is center method. So this is about the part 2 of important string methods.